Brody. Brody. Do you like touching everyone's stuff? You like touching everyone's stuff? Ooh, what's that noise?
He's touching my stuff too, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
He was touching my neck. Brody, no, this is my neck. I love.
Really? Because you didn't even like it when you opened it. Don't be a brat. Brody. Brody.
Are you taking my stuff too? Are you taking my stuff? I'm taking my stuff. Are you taking my stuff? Mom, she's taking my stuff too.
Oh, so this little bitty baby is terrorizing Wesley, huh? Oh.
Hey, I'm not a busy baby.